Hello everyone. In today's video lecture, I am going to start exercise 4.8 of chapter 4. Chapter 4 is multiplication and exercise 4.8 is related with word problem. So the first word problem is, in a garden there were 132 rows of trees. In a garden, how many rows of trees? 132. Makhan planted 5 trees in each row, and a boy Makhan planted 5 trees in each row. In a garden there are 132 rows and Makhan planted 5 trees in each row. How many trees were there in the garden? So you have to find number of trees in the garden. So you have to multiply 132 by 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10. So write 0 in answer, carry over 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. So write 6 in answer, carry over 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6. 660 trees. So there were 660 trees in the garden. Now I am taking third word problem. There are 4 petals in each flower. How many petals were there be in 251 flowers? There is a flower and only 4 petals in the flower. See, this is the flower and 1 2 3 4 petals in this flower, and there are 251 flowers of this type. So how many petals are there in 251 flowers? So you have to multiply 251 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Write 0 in answer, carry over 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. Means 1004. So there will be 1004 petals in 251 flowers. Now the fourth word problem is 6 aeroplanes, each carrying 145 passengers. So multiply 145 by 6. 6 5s are 30. Write 0 in answer, carry over 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 27. So write 7 in the answer, carry over 2. 6 1s are 6 and 6 plus 2 8. 870 people went to Kashmir on Thursday. Now the sixth word problem is 35 vans were arranged for carrying children for a picnic. How many vans were arranged? 35 vans. If 8 children could sit in a van, in one van there are 8 children. How many children went for the picnic? So you have to find out how many children went for the picnic. So in one van, how many children seated? 8. So in 35 vans, how many children will sit? 35 into 8. 8 5s are 40. Write 0 in answer, carry over 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. Means 280. So what will be the answer? 280 children went for the picnic. The seventh word problem is, there are 475 boxes of toys. Each box contains 9 toys. How many toys are there in all the boxes? So according to question, one box contains 9 toys. Okay, and there are 475 boxes. So 475 boxes will contain 475 into 9 toys. Okay, 9 5s are 45. Write 5 in answer, carry over 4. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 4 67. So write 7 in answer, carry over 6. 4 9s are 36, or 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 6 42. Means what will be the answer? There are 4275 toys in all the boxes. Now I am starting new chapter, chapter 5, division. This is the last chapter for term 1 exam. Okay, so The chapter name is division. What do you mean by division? Division means equal sharing. Okay. What do you mean by division? Division means equal sharing. So let's start the first question. In first question, 12 balloons are given and you have to share these balloon equally among 2 children. Okay. So 2 children are there and number of balloons 12. So 2 6 are 12. When you divide 12 by 2, you know that table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So you get 6 times the number 12. Okay, so what is the answer? 6 balloons share equally among 2 children. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 equals to 6 and each child gets 6 balloons. Okay. Now the second part of question A, 12 balloons are there and now you have to share these 12 balloons among 4 children. So since there are 12 balloons and number of children 4, so you have to divide 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12. So what are you getting as quotient? 3. So each child get 3 balloons. Now in third part, you have to share these 12 balloons among 6 children. So you have to divide 12 by 6. 6 2s are 12. So since you have to share 12 balloons among 6 children and as quotient you are getting 2, means 6 children get 2 balloons. 2 balloons means each child get 2 balloons. Now in question number C, some stars are given and 2 clouds are given. So according to question, there are 16 stars. How many stars? 16 and 2 clouds. And you have to divide these 16 stars among 2 clouds. Okay. So 16 stars are there, so you have to share equally. So when we share equally the stars among clouds, you will get that you have to share 8 stars. Okay, so you have to make 8 stars in first cloud. And 8 stars in another cloud. Okay, now you have to fill the blanks. Total stars. How many stars given in the question? 16. Number of clouds. How many clouds? 2. Each cloud will have how many stars? Each cloud have 8. So you have to fill this division. So number of stars, total number of stars 16 divided by 2, because 2 clouds are here. When you divide 16 by 2, you have to speak the table of 2 whenever you get 16. So you know that 2 8s are 16. So what is the answer? 8. Means each cloud will have 8 stars. Now in question number D, you have to look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So there is the picture of plates and bananas. Some plates are given and in these plates bananas are putting. So you have to find out the answers of fill in the blanks. Okay. So you have to find total number of bananas. How many bananas are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bananas in one plate. And how many plates here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means total number of bananas will be 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So total number of bananas 24. Number of bananas in each plate. One plate having 4 bananas. So the answer is 4. Number of plates, how many plates here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means when you divide 24 by 4, you will get 6, because 4 6 are 24. This way you have to do this type of questions. Let's start exercise 5.2. Find out how many children will get the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Means 24 balls given in the question. So the first part of this question is each child get 6 balls. In 24 balls, if each child gets 6 balls, then how many groups of balls will be made? So you have to divide 24 by 6. As you know that 6 4s are 24, means 4 groups will be made. Okay, so 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. 4 children will get 6 balls each. Second part is each child gets 4 balls. Means how many groups will be made of 4 balls. So here 24 balls in equal groups of 4 will be 6 groups, because you have to divide 24 by 4, and you know that 4 6 are 24. So 6 groups will be made by of 4 balls. 24 divided by 4 equals to 6. 6 children will get 4 balls each. Now the third part, each child gets 3 balls. So 24 balls in equal groups of 3 equals to 8 groups. Means there will be 8 groups of 3 balls. 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. 8 children will get 3 balls each. Now you have to understand some terms in division. Okay, here I am divide 16 by 8. So the number to be divided, is called dividend, and the number by which we divide is called divisor. Okay, and the answer will called quotient. Okay, so here the number 16, this number to be divided, so this is called dividend, and by 8 we are dividing 16, so 8 is divisor. So what you have to do, you have to write the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 2 times you are getting 16, so as quotient you have to write 2, and 16 you have to write downside. 6 minus 6 0, 1 minus 1 0, so the remainder is 0. So what are you getting? Divisor 8, dividend 16, quotient you can represent it by Q is 2, and remainder you can represent remainder by R is 0. So these are the terms in division. Now let's start exercise 5.3. You have to complete the table. In this table 4 columns are given. In first column question is written, then in second column you have to write dividend, then divisor and quotient. So you have to look at the question and you have to find out dividend, divisor and quotient. The first question is 34 divided by 2 equals to 7. So here we are dividing 34. So the number which we are dividing is called dividend. So write 34 in dividend, and we are divided by 2. So you have to write in divisor, you have to write 2, and the answer you are getting is 7. So 7 is quotient. Okay, this way you have to write the dividend, divisor and quotient. Let's see the next question. 45 divided by 15 equals to 3. Here 45 is dividing, so you have to write 45 as dividend, and we are divided by 15, so write 15 as divisor, and we are getting answer 3. So the quotient is 3. Next question is 36 divided by 9 equals to 4. Here we are dividing 36, so 36 is dividend, and we are divided by 9, so 9 is divisor, and we are getting answer 4. So 4 is quotient. Okay. Now see the question number B. Write the division question. Now here dividend, divisor and quotient are given and you have to write the question according to dividend, divisor and quotient. Okay. So dividend is here 32 and divisor is 8. So you have to divide 32 by 8 and quotient is 4. So the answer will be 4. So the question is 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. Now next dividend is 32. So write 32. Divisor is 4. So write the sign of division and then after write divisor and quotient is 8. So equals to 8. So here the quotient is 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. Now next is dividend is 66. Then divisor is 3. So you have to divide 66 by 3 and quotient is 22. Means answer you are getting is 22 which is quotient. So question is 66 divided by 3 equals to 22. Okay, questions are there in exercise 5.